Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Bolt app. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about Bolt app and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.